Shanty Bay Golf Club is a high-end, perfectly manicured golf course located in Oro-Medonte. The busy club hosts golf leagues that offer an inclusive playing environment. Its 272 acres boasts picturesque fairways, making it the perfect golf club to add to your social schedule, as well as 2 creeks and 4 ponds to add some dynamic to the series of challenges that the golf course presents. The course includes 27 holes to keep golfers sharp and their skill up to par, a large driving range for practice, ten bunkers that will test players' limits, the different nines are sprawled on the property's meticulously managed greens. Members and guests can take advantage of the full practice center and enjoy 3 separate nines, which gives them 3 different varieties of golfing experiences and don't require a large time investment while keeping things fresh. In addition to golf, the club is fully equipped to host weddings as well as corporate events. The grounds are conveniently located just off of Highway 11 and just east of the 400. They are also less than 15 minutes away from Barrie. In an increasingly popular area, while still offering a country feel, Shanty Bay is excellently located for future business growth. It is a gorgeous property filled with opportunity that is not to be overlooked.